Welcome to another video from DCF Model series by Valuation Interview Prep. In this, we'll be discussing about the important metric, important parameter, which is input, which is considered as input for the WACC formation, that is beta. So let's see how we have calculated beta for this exercise. So firstly, as Infosys is a listed company, so we can also again take beta as a direct input, because how beta is calculated is, I'm guessing that I'm assuming that for this the viewers of this video are already aware about the concept of the beta. That beta is basically being capturing the volatility of the share price of my target company with respect to the index. So because Infosys is listed, so that's why I'm getting a direct input of beta from here also. But let's assume if Infosys was not listed and it was private, or if any company for which I'm doing this exercise is a private company, then I would be interested in looking at the listed comparable companies in this sector which are comparable to my target company. So here I have taken TCS, HCL, Wipro. These are basically the ticker, because when we talk about some data source like Bloomberg or something or FactSet, then each of the company is identified by a special ticker. So for this I have taken this TCS, HCL and WIP. It might be different in actual, but just for illustration purposes I have taken this. Now this country, which country the comparable companies are based off. Then levered beta, I can pull this directly through the databases. So that's why I've hard coded it, and I have put it as a golden color, that these are being pulled using the formulas through a database. Now post levered beta, I have debt. Debt again is available in the databases and is being pulled in these kind of models from databases only. Then we have the percentage of debt in the overall capital. We have share price and diluted notch. These are again being captured from the databases. Based on these, I have my market value of equity and my percentage of equity, which is again based on total capital. Total capital here is equity value plus debt. Now tax rate, we have already okay, so this should be red color, since these are being linked from another cells in the current sheet. Then we have unlevered beta. Unlevered beta based, so basically we had the levered beta, and based on every specific DE of the comparable company, we are unlevering it. Now after performing similar exercise for other comparable companies, we come up to the average or median unlevered beta or industry beta. From there, I have again put in the target company similar metrics just for illustration purposes, but usually these section would not be present if your company is a private company. Then we have a current structure or a pro forma structure. In current structure, I have taken the debt and equity value similar to the current structure from the financials of the company. Then based on this, I re-lever my industry beta based on the D structure of my target company. Now in this, any type of other structure if preferred can also be taken. Like you can also take any pro forma structure which assumes that okay, instead of 1% there will be 10% debt and 90% equity, and based on that you can see that okay, what would be the levered beta. So this is a selected case. Right now the capital structure is current and beta is 0.9, which is being pulled from this section. So this was all about beta. In the next section we will be talking about the formation of WACC. Till then, goodbye.